You know the person you should thank in this video. You should thank yourself and reward yourself. You have devoted 20 minutes of your time listening to the first 3 videos, and I really appreciate the opportunity to educate you in your business. Today, I am going to talk about the 5 different types of accountants. If you're going to make money in your business, you're going to need an accountant. But which kind? There are so many, sometimes it's hard to find the right solution. So the 5 different types of accountants are: number 1, a bookkeeper; number 2, an accountant; number 3, a controller; number 4, a CFO; and number 5, a CPA. The first type of accountant is a bookkeeper. A bookkeeper's primary responsibilities are maintaining a company's general ledger, which entails recording daily transactions, expenses, deposits, and income. A bookkeeper handles the day-to-day and monthly accounting and financial operations for a business. A bookkeeper is the cheapest of the 5 different types of accountants. An accountant, which is more called a staff accountant, is an employee of your company. Depending upon the size of your company, an accountant will be hired at a typical accountant's salary, which could be between $50,000 and $75,000 a year. They will be doing the same thing a bookkeeper does, except for more money. The third type of accountant is a controller. A financial controller, in many cases, oversees the staff accountant. Their salaries range from $60,000 to $125,000 a year. The duties of a financial controller include managing accounting records, evaluating and managing risk, ensuring compliance with regulations, publishing financial statements, and overseeing accounting operations, analyzing financial data, monitoring expenditures, forecasting revenue, coordinating auditing processes, and ensuring financial information. I know that is a lot, but that is a broad perspective of the responsibility of a financial controller. And you'll hire one of those to oversee a staff account at a bigger type company. And you'll be paying between $60,000 to $125,000 a year for those type of financial controllers. The fourth type of accountant is the chief financial officer. The chief financial officer position is above the financial controller. Yes, there is a difference between a chief financial officer and a financial controller. A chief financial officer is responsible for the company's past and present financial situation and an integral part of the company's future. This includes where and when to invest company funds, overseeing the capital structure of the company, determining the best mix of debt, equity, and internal financing. The last type of accountant is a CPA. Every company needs a CPA. The main reason is because a CPA knows where you can save money on paying taxes both for your business and on your personal tax return. A CPA will always review the financials that an accountant or bookkeeper does to make sure the financials are done correctly, because they can be liable with fines and possible certifications revoked depending on how bad the financials are. The main difference between a bookkeeper and a CPA is the bookkeeper focuses on the weekly and monthly financials, while the CPA reviews the financials and does the taxes. A CPA can do the weekly and monthly bookkeeping for businesses, but they will have to lower their fees to the level of a bookkeeper. That is why you want to hire a good, experienced bookkeeper to do the accounting for your business. The most important thing is that you gain some knowledge on the 5 different types of accountants and their different roles as it relates to the financials of a company. Thanks again for taking your time out, and don't hesitate to contact me related to the 5 different types of accountants, or if you have any accounting questions related to your business. I appreciate the time, and thank you, and have a great day.